Hi, good morning. This is Dr. K.B. Brahmarao, Professor of CSE Honors. Today I want to take the session on the topics of the DBMS are nothing but data types, constraints and DML statements. Right? So the aim of the session is to know the basic concepts of PostgreSQL, and the second one, how to define constraints in the queries of PostgreSQL. The third one, what is DML statement and how to write DML statements in the easiest manner. The main objective of this session is how to write the DML queries in the easiest manner, and the outcome of this session is to write the queries using constraints, to write the DML or any other type of SQL commands. So what are the basic data types in PostgreSQL? First of all, I want to say generally people are working with the SQL, MySQL, ProSQL, DB2 and so etc. These type of tools are using to work with the SQL queries. So otherwise, as per our university instructions, we are introducing PostgreSQL to work with the queries in the database management system. Actually, SQL language is providing a set of commands, and these are all commands are classified into 5 types of categories. They are nothing but DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, DQL. So the total SQL language commands are classified into 5 categories, but as per this session I want to complete DML statements. But before writing the queries either in the SQL language or in the PostgreSQL, okay, we have to know the data types. But before giving the concept about the data types, I want to tell you why PostgreSQL. Generally the question may be arised by the people, also, because of the PostgreSQL is an open source software, I mean not required to pay anything, so legally there is no problems and we can install in our computer by downloading easily. So either client based or server based we can work with this one. And the Postgres actually it is providing programming language with PGSQL, procedural programming language also, and also the additional features of the Postgres while we are comparing with the remaining SQL tools. So this includes advanced data types and also user defined data types, including JSON support is also added in the PostgreSQL. So therefore the people, I mean the companies are looking for the professionals who are having the knowledge in the PostgreSQL. They are giving the priority. As per that priority, the university decided to explain either data types or any other type of statements using PostgreSQL. Okay. So now I hope you are all having the sufficient knowledge in the data types. as per programming languages, either C language or C++ or Java or Python, whatever it may be, generally we have required to work with the programming language, we have required data types. So, to initialize any data or to store any data or to operate on the data, first of all we have required the data types. So, therefore, the SQL language and also as per our PostgreSQL language is also providing a rich set of data types to write the statements and also to operate on the data in the easiest of manner. Hope all of you are understanding. So, for example, if you want to create a table, so simply we can write create table, table name, after that column, next data type, because all columns should be defined by the data types. So, that is the actually required. There you are seeing that in as per the customers table, so name is defined by where character with 25 and the age column is defined by integer data type. So, once this query is executed, that query can create a customer table, but I want to give the some more explanation under the DML statements. There I will explain so in the detail of manner. So, before that I want to first explain the different types of data types which are defined in the PostgreSQL. The total PostgreSQL data types are classified into 20 categories. Already I told you the PostgreSQL is having a rich set of different types of data types. You are seeing that 20 types here now. From numeric data type onwards, you are seeing Postgres lines as a line statement onwards, there up to which one P, Z, L, S, N data types. We can discuss each and every data type in the clear of manner. Okay. So, this is the first type of data types, numeric. So, if you want to store the data in the computer system by using the numeric data type, though the data belongs to integer data type or real data type, we can get in the C language, that is nothing but float data type, right. So, like that, to work with the numeric data types, the PostgreSQL is giving this list of different types of data types. If you go through this table, you can understand there are different data types are there: small integer, integer, big integer, decimal, numeric, real, double precision, serial, big serial. Dear students, you can compare the Java language or with C language with these data types. In the Java also we are having small integer, integer, but big integer is also there in the Java, but it is not the built-in data type in the Java. So, it is defined as an object in the Java, but here if the length of the numeric value is big, then we can use the big integer is also we can use. And if you want to work with the float values, you can able to find here easily, which is nothing but real data type. Otherwise, in the C language or C++ or Java, there people are calling this data type as a float. Otherwise, as per Postgres, here the name of the decimal point values are floating values are identified by real data type. Okay. The second one is the character data type.